This coffee mug shop has over 90,000 sales. And then this custom sticker shop has over 9,000 sales. And then we take a look at this gratitude journal, and it has over 26,000 five-star ratings. And then we take a look at this t-shirt, and it has over 72,000 sales. Right now, you're probably wondering what all those items have in common and why in the world am I even showing you that? That's because each of those items are generating thousands of dollars of passive income. And I can show you exactly how to replicate those items so that you can start making money in your sleep every single day. So if you're ready for that, and if that is exciting you like it's exciting me, then make sure that you're sticking around until the end of this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. Now, I'm going to make this intro quick. Here's the gist of it. I'm going to show you two websites where you can use $1 in order to generate you hundreds and even thousands of dollars in passive income. And that's all that you need to know from this intro. So let's go ahead and jump directly into the information. And wait, before we get started, make sure that you hit that like button for me so we can expand our money-making community. All right, now we'll get into the video. The first website I'm going to introduce you to is called Creative Fabrica. So this is a creative website with over 90,000 fonts, over 4 million graphics, and you can access all of this for the first month for only $1. So I'm about to show you how you can use this website to turn $1 into a reoccurring passive income. Now, as you can see here, they have millions of different graphics and fonts for you to choose from, which is going to play a crucial part in our next phase. But first, let me introduce you to this second website that we'll be using, and it's called Printify. Now, you can use Printify, Printful, or any other print-on-demand dropshipping website. And in this video, I will be showing you how to utilize the items that they have listed here on their website, such as a pillow, a coffee mug, a coaster, in order to make reoccurring income. And I know you guys all heard of a print-on-demand shop while using a t-shirt business, but I'm here to show you that it's so much more than just a t-shirt business and how many different items they offer on Printify that you might not even known of. So we're going to utilize this site with Creative Fabrica in order to create a design, and I'm even going to give you a tutorial on that, so stick with me. So let's take a look at this Mother's Day bundle that is on Creative Fabrica. So you have all of these great fonts and designs that can be downloaded directly from this website and placed onto your print-on-demand item. So you'll see that these are all really cute graphics that say mama or be kind or some sort of niche around mothers or Mother's Day, and you can place them on your sweaters, your t-shirts, your coffee mugs. You can put them on pillows, etc. But nonetheless, if you're not an artsy person, then this is the perfect website for you, because you don't have to do any real designing. All you have to do is find a design you like, download it, and then put it on your items or put it on your store. Now, when you use the link in my description, you'll get your first month for $1. And this is going to include all the graphics that are on the website, unlimited amount of downloads, and daily uploaded graphics. So let's hop over to the print on demand section. The print on demand section is my favorite and the one that's going to be specified for this video. So all of these graphics are going to be ready to use directly for your print on demand store, and you can download these graphics without having to do any modifications to it. So let's check out this summer themed bundle. This summer theme bundle is going to be great for any type of summery item that you might have, or just to create an entire niche store around the summer, since it is that time and people love purchasing different t-shirts, or they love purchasing anything that's going to remind them of the summertime. So here's an example of what that would look like. And again, print on demand isn't just about t-shirts. We have so many different other items that we can use to create a reoccurring income. And remember, when you do the $1 access, you can get all of this for that $1. Now let's check out the bundle licensing part. Okay, so I want you guys to make sure that you always read it. So full print on demand licenses give you the right to use digital assets and create designs. With the full POD license, you do not need to make any modifications, meaning that you can sell them as is. So this is not the same for every single graphic on their website, but particularly for the print on demand side. And when you do the $1 full access for the month, you automatically get the print on demand license, which makes it easy for your print on demand store. And just to make it clear, you do not only have to use Creative Fabrica for a print on demand store, but you can also use it for your KDP interior books. You can also use it for your cover pages. So I'm showing you this digital wallpaper because this is something that you might be able to use as your cover page for your low content books. So people always talk about how they're not artsy and they don't know how to create a good cover page. So you can always go to Creative Fabrica and use any of their backgrounds or any of their graphics to create a awesome cover page for your low content book. And here's another thing that I want to show you. I often talk about activity books and coloring books, and yes, they have that as well. So you can also find hundreds of pages of coloring books, especially adult coloring books, which I always talk about is a hot niche at this time. So you can go ahead and get the $1 access and download these coloring books. But now they do have a different licensing than the print on demand sector. So always check out the licensing. But now what I'm about to do is go through a tutorial to show you how I'm going to use this passport cover and create my own print on demand shop. I'm going to show you how I'm going to take a plain black passport cover and turn it into something super cute. So I'm doing this just to show you that they have such a variety of different items that you can do your print on demand store with. You don't only have to stick with a t-shirt business or a coffee mug business. So first I went over to Amazon just to see if people were actually buying passport covers. And the answer is yes, and it's especially trendy right now since people are going on vacation for the summer. So I found one that I wanted to kind of replicate. I wanted to make a cute, girly passport cover. So remember, you could go ahead and do the $1 all access. Use the link in my description. So I'm going to show you how I purchased the $1 all access, which is going to be good for 1 month, and then it's going to be $19 for the reoccurring month. But that's still $10 less than the original price. So I went ahead and I looked on Etsy because I wanted to see if this was something that I could put on Etsy. Then I wanted to find a funny or cute quote that I can put on my passport cover to get people to buy it. I ended up finding this one that says, "I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list." I thought that that was funny and cute and perfect for people who were looking to travel, especially women. So I went over here back to Creative Fabrica and I looked up travel. I wanted to find some graphics that I can place on my passport cover. Then I had this idea that I wanted a cute background with text on top. And that's what I wanted for my passport cover. So you're going to see me going through the different backgrounds that they have. And I found one that was perfect for travel and it comes in a bundle. So I went ahead and I clicked download and immediately it downloaded to my computer. All I had to do was open it up so that I can view all the graphics that were in there. And here's an example of what this looked like. What caught my eye was the black and pink one because it gave me enough space to put that text in there with the funny quotes. So all I did was go to Canva, I uploaded that image, then I went to find a font back on Creative Fabrica that I would like. Went ahead, downloaded that, and with that font, I ended up putting in that quote that says, "I haven't been there, I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list." And then I added some little stars just to give it a little dazzle. And then from there, I went ahead and clicked download it from Canva. Once I downloaded from Canva, I went back over to Printify and uploaded my new design. Once you add your image to Printify, you'll just have to size it and make sure that all of the resolution and the clarity looks great. So once it is printed, nothing is going to get cut off or it's going to look exactly the way that you want it to look. So you can go ahead and click on preview and it's going to show you exactly what your product now looks like and what it will look like once it is printed out and sent to your customer. I could say this process took me a little less than 45 minutes. So all I would have to do is take this design and upload it to Etsy, and then boom, I can be making reoccurring income every single month from my print on demand business. Now again, I could take this same exact design and go ahead and put it on other items like an outdoor pillow, and this is what it will look like. And when we head over to Etsy, you can see that there are very well people making money off of selling outdoor pillows with text on it or little designs on it. And also, I went ahead and I looked up the passport covers on Etsy, and people are definitely purchasing something like this from Etsy. So this is two great print on demand ideas that you can do. So now if you're ready to get started with creating your own print on demand business or your own low content books, make sure that you go to the description below and do it all for $1 on Creative Fabrica. So you made it this far in the video. Do not forget that if you want to get started on your passive income business, go ahead and check all of the links in my description right now so you can get started with Printify, Creative Fabrica, and even a link to my business training program that's going to show you how to build a passive income empire in 2022. And lastly, don't forget to check out these two videos because they're going to show you how to make some more money. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.